Erokamana inya Steve Biko. Mano ne Steve Biko jafwambo marwa mae kaonti ma Siaya komiyowa ler ewi ikruok mar ombulu mibirogo e kachung'od bura ma Ugunja odiochieng' makiny. Ka wadhi mbele ni kweth moro ma jodak ma Kericho koro ringo dhi e doho mar sundo mondo mi bath lope moko ariyo mochungie kod kambi mar rego niang' ma Muhoroni oduoknigi kendo bedie e bwo kaonti ma Kericho. E kwayo margi mane oredhi e nyim doho ma ochung'ne weche mag alwora e boma ma Kericho, jodago koro kwayo doho mondo land ayanga ni lopego nitiere kaonti ma Kericho.
We've filed a petition for abrogation of due process by National Land Commission for moving in illegally to subdivide a leasehold property, plan, survey and settle without the authority of Kericho County Government, which is the owner of the said 2 parcels of land. We've also infringed the domain on aspects of constitutional infringement under Article 47, where we are saying the community surrounding the parcels of Kericho County was not involved through public participation and any written notice.
We also saw the other day the Member of Parliament for Muhoroni, the Honorable Koyo, table a statement in the National Assembly on the same matter. We're asking Koyo, you do not know where your boundaries are? Koyo, you're a Member of Parliament for Muhoroni. Where are the boundaries? Where are the polling stations that fall in your constituency? Is there any polling station in the said parcel of land that is in your constituency? Please pay a visit to the nearest electoral commission and acquaint yourself with the polling stations within your constituency.